Hello, today's activity is a very fun activity and informative activity. So I'm going to show you how the postman works, what is his job. Okay, so what we are going to do is first I'm going to show you the setup, what I made for this activity, and then how we are going to perform this activity. Okay, so let's get started. This, as you all can see, is a post box I made. This is the box I reused from my monkey activity. Just pasted this red paper here and this cutout of this cardboard box and painted it black, pasted these letters cutouts and a small hole here for the letters to go in. Okay, and then what I made are these small envelopes. These little envelopes are made, and as you all can see on these envelopes it's written to FGH from K, and this is the stamp of S. Why I made this is to help recognize the alphabets. So it is informative. It is the activity which will help in recognition of the alphabets, and it will help in the understanding of the job of a postman. Okay, and how we are going to post the letters, I have made these little chits. These are in every envelope. I'll just take them all out and ask my little one to select the envelope as well as the chit to go inside, and then there is the stamp I. So he has to paste this stamp here like this. I'll show you. What we are going to do is just take some glue here, and then I'm going to paste the stamp I here. Okay, so this is pasted now. Now what we are going to do is we are going to put inside this little letter LMN like this. Okay, and to show you, this letter goes to Miss Kitty here, this letter goes to Mr. Dog here, this letter goes to George Pig here, and do we have another letter? Okay, let me find. Oh yes, here's this letter for you, Tiddles. So these are all the letters here we are going to post. I hope you all enjoy this activity with your little ones. Okay, so just like I made this letters an envelope, you can make it in numbers, even in shapes, in pictures also, whatever you want. So for the next step, what we are going to do is we are going to take out these letters from here. I have given this opening here for him so that he understands that when the letter goes inside the post box, it comes out, and who takes it out is a postman. Now the postman takes the letter in his bag. Go, and it's inside. Okay, so similar way we are going to post each letter. Postman puts these letters in his bag. So I have given him this jute bag here. This activity can be made at home very easily. You don't need any extra things to arrange. Just simple things we can find at our home. So yeah, he's going to take this bag and then deliver all the letters to his friends. Like here are his friends here. I'm going to show you how.